going on, guys? Hope you guys are having a good day today. The beautiful SS1LE right next to me is being prepped right now for the full wrap that's going to be going on Inozetek Acid Green. That is correct. Last time we wrapped an Acid Green was a Gen 6 ZL1. Shout out to my guy Oscar. Unfortunately, he sold his Camaro, and we're super excited to give this Gen 5 the Acid Green color. It's a super bright color. The customer wants to stand out there. He wants to accent it with flat black as well to match the aerodynamics that comes with the OEM SS1LE. We washed the car, we clay barred it. We did a lot of pre-prep right now. We got to take off some batches, emblems on the sides. We're removing everything on the rear bumper. He's getting the full premium package on parting out the whole car. We treat this like almost like a full paint job, to where we have to part out everything to make sure we're tucking in really good and we're not showing anything that's white, because a white car is probably one of the hardest cars to wrap, just because it's gonna contrast with the opposite color of the OEM if you don't fill in the right gaps and corners, and it's gonna make your job really bad. Let's go ahead and get started, show you guys some highlights of what we're doing, and let's get to work. This super gloss film made by Inozetek is gonna be the hottest and brightest on a Gen 5. It's an SS1LE, even makes it more special that we're doing a very bright color to it. That way our customer gets that bold, bright look that it deserves with accomplishing it with us installing it and supplying with Inozetek's film brand. Let's go ahead and get started. As you guys see right now, we took off the OEM taillights. He's not just getting a full wrap, we're actually gonna get him the Velux signature taillights that we manufacture as well, so which is gonna be cool. It's gonna match with his OEM third brake light, and he's going the full front end 6th gen conversion with the fog lights, headlights, and the bulbs. So stay tuned. We're not just gonna give him a brand new color, but we're also gonna transform the back and the front for him, giving him a brand new car, a brand new look, and a brand new wrap. Let's go ahead and continue work, guys. All right, guys, as you can see, I'm wetting all around the taillight bezel right here. We're gonna be wrapping Inozetek. Inozetek is a very thick film, and it just vacuums every single contaminant, dust, whatever is on the vehicle. So yes, we wash it really well. We're gonna finish the clay barring, but we're also gonna wet all around the edges on the trunk, the windshield, all around this area, because when we're laying the film, it's so static, it's gonna go ahead and just get that dust stick to the film, and it's not gonna be a good finish. So it's very important for the Inozetek film to be wrapped in a very good pre-prep and regarding washing, clay barring, detailing the car, and getting all the dust just completely wiped out. Let's go ahead and continue what we got going on. The color film roll is here from Inozetek. Shout out to Inozetek for being so fast and on top of it with our orders. Every time we place an order, they always hook us up and get us priority. So shout out to Inozetek. The color is finally here. I'm super excited. I'm looking at it right now as we speak. Let's go ahead and unveil the box. You want to be different. You definitely want the competition look. This is the film for you. This is our SS1LE full style project that we just completed in our new facility. I'm super excited to go over all the details. Let's show you guys what we completed on this build. Our front signature conversion bumper is the Z01-1LE 6th gen style with the full front end headlights and the fog lights, giving the car a very mean aggressive look. As you see as well, it's fully wrapped with Inozetek's acid green, being bright and bold like it's supposed to be. We didn't want to just wrap this whole thing acid green. We wanted to contrast it with a dead matte satin black accent. So what we did over here, we gave him a nice eyebrow right in front of the headlights so it matches the aggressive look. Right around the bezels, the diaphragms and the lips, we kept it flat black to match the SS1LE vibe of his Gen 6 and a Gen 5 look the way it's supposed to. As you guys see, the whole passenger side is wrapped in an acid Inozetek green, giving the car some contrast with the SS1LE 5th gen wheels, contrasting it with the handles and the mirrors in satin black, and on top, giving the car a full acid green wrap with some accents in gloss black to match the sunroof that he's got going on in his build. Lastly guys, going over the rear aggressive look, we didn't just wrap it, but we also added our signature Umbra taillights, giving the car the perfect stance that it deserves in the back. These taillights are bright, aggressive, and super trendy when it comes to modifying your 5th gen taillights. We appreciate Melvin for giving us the opportunity to get this style product done for him, and I can't wait to see what we got more for him. You see what I'm saying? So when we manufacture our stuff, it's just all about, you know, installing the right way. We're also like perfectionists. We worked on these cars so much now. For you, just a little side note on the engine, beside the cosmetics, I would do Rotofab, not K&N. But do Rotofab, trust me, he has Rotofab, and that thing, like, if you want me, I can turn it on. It's E85 cammed, everything. It sounds like a beast. We know you got my number, always, and then we'll be in contact. Just let us know. This is our new location now, so you guys are welcome anytime. I know, it's a lot easier. The 91's right there, guys. We hopped on this so fast, and they gave us the opportunity. I'm like, you know, this is what we've been waiting for, so it's kind of cool. Yeah, 100%.